Godot versus MonoGame, which game framework is better. Choosing the right game development framework can transform how you create games without unnecessary complexity. Godot offers an all-in-one engine, while MonoGame provides a flexible coding-focused approach. Godot and MonoGame are powerful frameworks for game development with distinct approaches. Godot is a full-featured engine with visual tools and scripting, while MonoGame is a low-level framework focusing on coding and custom engine building. The core difference lies in ease of use versus flexibility. Godot is an open-source, cross-platform game engine designed to streamline game creation. It includes a visual editor, scene system, and supports multiple scripting languages like GDScript, C. Developers benefit from built-in tools for 2D and 3D game design, physics, animation, and UI creation. Godot's node-based architecture simplifies organizing game elements, making it accessible for beginners and efficient for professionals. Its integrated editor and debugging tools reduce setup time and speed up iteration. However, Godot may have performance limitations in highly complex 3D projects compared to more specialized engines. The community is active but smaller than mainstream engines, which can affect the availability of third-party assets. Ideal users are indie developers, hobbyists, and small teams seeking a comprehensive, user-friendly environment to quickly prototype and build games without deep engine customization. MonoGame is an open-source framework focused on providing a flexible platform for building games, primarily through code. It acts as a successor to Microsoft's XNA framework, supporting C, C, and Neat languages. Unlike Godot, MonoGame does not include a visual editor or built-in tools. Instead, it offers core libraries for graphics rendering, input audio, and content management. This low-level access allows developers to create highly customized game engines and workflows tailored to their specific needs. MonoGame excels in performance and supports multiple platforms, including Windows, macOS, Linux, iOS, and Android. The trade-off is a steeper learning curve and longer development time, since developers build many systems from scratch or integrate third-party tools. MonoGame is best suited for experienced programmers and studios that require full control over their game architecture and want to optimize every aspect of the game engine. Comparing Godot and MonoGame highlights a choice between convenience and control. Godot's all-in-one editor and visual tools accelerate development for 2D and moderate 3D games, ideal for rapid prototyping and smaller teams. MonoGame, with its code-first approach, offers unmatched flexibility and performance, making it suitable for developers building custom engines or targeting complex platforms. For example, an indie developer creating a 2D platformer benefits from Godot's simplicity and integrated features. Meanwhile, a studio aiming for a highly optimized 3D game with custom rendering pipelines might prefer MonoGame. Godot reduces setup and learning time but may limit deep customization. MonoGame demands more programming expertise and effort but rewards with granular control and scalability. The decision depends on project scope, team skill, and desired development speed. Choose Godot if you want a user-friendly, all-in-one game engine that accelerates development with visual tools and scripting, perfect for indie and small projects. MonoGame is the better choice for experienced developers seeking full control and performance in custom game engines. It excels in flexibility and scalability for complex projects. Selecting the right framework depends on your development style and project needs to maximize efficiency and creativity.